cheerful note to everyone present over here and respected sir. Many new faces, so I would like to introduce myself at first. I am Nikita Dubey, joined Shastri's English Home in 2007. So it's more than a decade that I have been associated with this institution. When I was in 7th standard, I remember many of my cousins used to speak fluently in English and they used to work with allied organizations, and I also wanted to be one of them and like them. But I always failed at it because I belonged to Hindi medium, and since my childhood, I wanted to change my medium, but my family members were not in favor of this. They said, "You are a scholar, and if you change your medium, it is going to affect your percentage definitely." One day, one of my cousins, she told me about Shastri's English Home, and I decided to come here with my mother and my maternal grandmother. I exactly remember the moment when I came here. I talked to sir about the batch, and sir said, you're too small, you're too young to join the batch, and there is no seat available in the batch as well. But I was also adamant to be a part of this institution, and you can see that today I'm here. So when I was in 7th standard, I joined this institution, worked on my grammatical portion for almost 4 to 5 months, and then continuously worked for 4 to 5 years on my speaking skills. After 1 year, I was too confident to change my medium, and I went against my family members, and I was too adamant to change my medium. And to my surprise, the school for which I gave the entrance examination, I topped that exam, and I was chosen as the student to be given 100% fee concession for my entire education till 12th standard. And I used to feel very lucky to be part of such a great school and such a great institution. After joining the school for 5 consecutive years, from 2008 to 2013, I was selected. I was the topper of my school, and I was selected as the best outgoing student of the year 2013. I completed my schooling from Marthoma Public School in 2013 and scored 87%. Now after 12th, it was the time to shape my career in a particular field, and as my mother also wanted me to be an engineer always, and I was truly inclined towards software and computer stuff since beginning. So I decided to take admission in Chameli Devi Group of Institution for my Bachelor of Engineering. But I was not getting computer science, so I compromised with my branch, and I decided to enroll myself in electronics and communications. Though my branch could never affect my interest and my inclination towards computer stuffs and software field, and since first year onwards, I was preparing for the languages C, C++, and especially Java. When I was in first year, I was truly dedicated towards my studies, and I was too shy in the college. It took me 1 year to adjust there. Though I am not very shy, but when I came in second year, I thought to participate in many cultural and co-curricular activities in my college, and I was chosen as the promotional head for Citronics, the national level tech fest, which is organized by CDGI, Chameli Devi Group of Institutions, Indore, and it is a national level tech fest, and I was chosen as the master of ceremony for the opening and closing ceremony as well for the 2 year consecutively. So working on my technical stuff and all these curricular activities, when I entered fourth year, and it was the time for the placement season to set in, I started my projects, working on my minor and my major project, because I did not want a degree less than of 8-pointer. So it was also important. And one day I got to know that CSC, one of the top 10 global IT companies, is going to come to recruit in our college as well. So I started preparing for that. I cleared all the aptitude test, the GD, and both the technical interviews. But I was unfortunate to clear HR, and I was too shattered when I got this news that I have not made my name in the selection list, and I was like, now what to do? Because I couldn't see any companies coming to select or to recruit deserving candidates. After 2 to 3 months, I got the opportunity, and I got the offer from ETEC Global Services, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. I got the post there as an OCR. It was a bit different from my profile, but still, after my engineering, I decided to join that company. Working there for a few months, I understood this thing that it is not for me, and I was not quite content with this job profile. So I decided to leave the job and I came back to Indore. Now when I came back to Indore, it was the time I didn't have anything in my hand. Like I had a job which I have already left, and now what to do in future. So along with preparing for banking examinations, I did not want to sit idle at home. I wanted to earn something. So I decided to apply my resume in the few schools, and I was fortunate enough to get a call from the renowned school of this area, Saint Vincent Palluti, and I was interviewed there. I applied there for the maths and science subject, but to my surprise, when they offered me the job, they wanted me to join as an English teacher. And when I asked them, so they told me you have excellent communication skills, and you are good with your grammar portion as well, and we want a candidate who can impart good grammar knowledge to the students. So I joined that school, and working there along with preparing for banking examination, I continued it. I was a bit unlucky, or maybe I was lagging somewhere. I could not make my name in the selection list, and I was kicked out sometime by 0.25 marks, sometime by 0.75 marks. This disheartened me a lot and many times, but I never gave in, and I always made my endeavors to achieve more and more in life. So I kept on going. Then in August 2018, I cleared SBI Clerk 2018 pre-examination. After that, last month in December 2018, I was chosen for the interview for TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, which is one of the top IT recruiters of India, and I was interviewed there, and I got selected. I'm happy to share this news with you all that I got selected in TCS as a software developer, and I'm going to join the company in the coming few days. I'm also very happy to share one more news that I have also cleared IBPS clerk pre-examination 2018, and I have my mains examination in the next few days. I came here to share the entire educational journey with you all, and this is surely not my last visit to the class. I'll definitely come here soon again, and I'll share my story. This is just the beginning, and I have many more to achieve in the years to come.